katulad po na sinabi ko kanina, yung pinaka-mensahe po na gusto ko sabihin sa The Boy Who Cried Wolf or yung una short film is ang dami kasing perspective dito. We all play in this world full of perspectives, and until na makita niyo yung mga nooks and crannies, yung mga sides and corners, makita niyo yung mga side ng bawat isa, always choose to be kind. Kasi madalas kapag may mga situations, nagre-react agad tayo sa based on our emotions, pero hindi natin alam kung may pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa, kung ano yung ano ba, kung ang dahilan kung bakit nila nagawa yung mga bagay-bagay. So ayun, as much as possible, you have your truth, but don't forget to like check on the sides and the corners and the nooks and crannies para sa ganon, ayun, di ba? Happy lahat. Always choose to be kind. Ayun po. This is called The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Enjoy this last song. Everybody telling that the wolf is dead. Ain't nobody telling when the wolf is dead. And because of that, the wolf is going mad. Cause there's nobody who will let you understand. Maybe I should be more like the sheep instead. kuryente. Ayun po, maraming salamat. Sana po na-enjoy niyo po yung ayun po, iwan ko po, be a blessing to everyone. Always choose to be kind.